Hello dear children. In this particular video, I am going to talk about the types of replies. I have already discussed about the types of invitations. Okay, hope you all are noting down the important points and trying to practice how to draft various types of invitations. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about replies. Now, replies can either be acceptances or they can be refusal, means that you have received an invitation and there are two ways of responding to it. You may accept the invitation or you may refuse, you may deny, you may show your express your inability to make it to that particular event. And then replies are of also of two types, formal and informal replies. Just like your invitations, a formal reply can also be a card type or a letter type reply. Okay, and your reply can also be an informal reply, which is always only a letter type reply only. So informal invitation is also letter type, informal reply is also letter type. Formal invitation can also be of two types, card type and letter type. Formal reply can also be of two types, card type and letter type. But the card type reply is different here. Card type reply is not meant to be sent to the whole group and to tell everybody that you are available or you are not available. Try to understand the reply is usually for sending on a one-to-one basis for an individual person. Try to understand this. Okay, we don't send replies to a group, we send invitations to a group, but we don't send replies to a group. Okay, now let's talk about a reply which is a card type reply. Okay, now just as a card type invitation, card type reply will also be in a box, and this reply can be an acceptance or it can be a denial. Okay, I have tried to write down both acceptance and refusal in this particular box itself. For your examination purpose, you will either use this part or this part. That is why I have changed the color of the pen with which I have written. See, for your card type reply, you have to make a box. This box has to be in landscape form. Okay, just like your notice, but it is thinner than a notice box. You have to write the date over here. Now this date placement is very different. We have not written the date at the right hand corner in any of our writing skills. It is only in the card type replies that the date is written in the right hand corner, and it follows the same format which we have been following. No superscription, that means RDTH, no comma, no full stop, no slashes, dashes, वो same रहेगा. Okay, here over here you can write the salutation. Fine, dear and then Anna, or you may not write it. It is okay, because it can be a part of your reply also. See how Ruskin Bond thanks Anna, secretary of Genuine Public School, for inviting him for the screening of Shakespeare's play King Lear in their school on 19 July 2000, and then the year. He consents to preside over the program. Try and understand the language that we have used, the person that we have used. We have used the third person. Okay, you are not using the first person, I am thankful to Anna for inviting me, or I am thankful to the principal. You are not writing like this. Okay, you are writing in third person. Another thing to be noticed is that you don't have to write the name of the sender at the bottom of the reply. You don't have to mention it anywhere. Okay, it is not to be signed also. If you want to write the salutation over here, so you can write, Dear Anna, Ruskin Bond is thankful for inviting him for the screening of Shakespeare's famous play. Okay, Ruskin Bond is thankful for inviting him. Ruskin Bond is, I'm just writing it so that you can record it and remember it. Thankful for inviting, and then it's already there. Okay, here I have given the consent, and here I have refused. I have shown my inability to preside over the function. He regrets to show his inability to preside over the program due to a prior appointment. Okay, so up till here it's going to remain the same. If it is acceptance, you will use this line. If it is refusal, you will use this line. दोनों में से कोई भी एक यूज करनी है depending upon which reply you are writing. Now I have already talked about the points that you need to keep in mind when I was explaining the formal card type reply to you. Still, just a brief recap. Acknowledge the invitation, that you are thankful that you have received an invitation, you have been invited, Then you have to express your thanks. Date is mentioned on the top right hand side, not to be signed at the end, and then reason of declining should be mentioned if you are declining. If you are accepting, so you have given your consent. If you have if you have shown your inability, then you have to give the reason of your not being able to join the or preside over the function also.